In this video, I am going to share a few methods for mental subtraction. Method 1. Subtraction using addition. 78 minus 36 equals... Let's see how we can find this out. Step 1. What should we add with 6 to get 8? 2. Step 2. What should we add with 3 to get 7? 4. Answer is 42. Method 2. Subtraction using place value concept. If you want to know more about place value concept, click my place value concept video in the description box below. 52 minus 37 equals... Let's see how we can find this out. Step 1. 52 minus 30 plus 7. Step 2. 52 minus 30 equals 22. Minus 7 equals 15. Answer is 15. Method 3. Subtraction using nearest tens method. 68 minus 43 equals... Let's see how we can find this out. Find the nearest tens. 68's nearest 10 is 70. And 68 is 70 minus 2. And 43 is 40 plus 3. 70 minus... Step 1. 70 minus 40 minus 3. Step 2. 70 minus 40 equals 30. Minus 3 equals 27. Step 3. 27 minus 2 equals 25. Answer is 25. Let's try some examples now. 88 minus 42 equals... I'm going to try method 1 for this. What should we add with 2 to get 8? 6. What should we add with 4 to get 8? 4. Answer is 46. Let's consider another example is 99 minus 86. I'm going to try method 3 for this. 99's nearest 10 is 100. And 100 minus 86 is... We'll try 100 minus 80, and that's 20. Minus 6 equals 14. And 99 is 100 minus 1, so 14 minus 1 equals 13. Answer is 13. And now here are some examples to try by yourself. 56 minus 24, 67 minus 35, 79 minus 52. Please do let me know which method works best for you in the comment section below.